Robert, can you tell me about hearing aids and how they're helping you?
When I first had a hearing test, I went at the urging of my wife and work colleagues, and I just went to keep them happy. But once I got hearing aids, I realised what I'd been missing out on. I could hear people talking to me clearly. I didn't have to ask them 5 times. I could hear the trees rustling and birds singing, which was an immediate shock to me. It certainly has improved the quality of life. I can get out and meet friends. I can listen to music. We don't have to have the television blaring at night to watch a show. It's something I should have done many years earlier. I didn't believe that hearing aids could be so small. I always thought of Grandad's great big clunky hearing aids, and I didn't want that. But probably the best decision I ever made was listening to my wife and work colleagues.
Do you have any advice for people who have hearing loss?
I would advise people to actually, if they had any inkling that they have a hearing loss, they should actually talk to an audiologist as early as possible, because like anything else, the earlier it's found and diagnosed, the better the treatment is.
What's your experience with the audiologists at Ear and Hearing Australia?
I've been going to Ear and Hearing for 3 years. A little bit longer actually, because I needed to call on them to actually do some repairs to the first set of hearing aids I got, which was from another audiologist. And you could not find people to be more efficient and friendly and so convenient. I mean, many locations. And look, if I have an issue, I ring up, I'm given an appointment. Sometimes I have to say, no, I can't make it right away. I have to wait and I'll come tomorrow. I could only recommend Ear and Hearing as highly as possible. I couldn't recommend them any more highly.